Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go not compatible with this device. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we want to do here is we first have to force stop Monopoly Go. So in this case, search for the Monopoly Go application itself and press and hold on it. And here you want to click on App Info, and from here click on Force Stop. Here, just click on OK to fully stop Monopoly Go. Now, the next thing we want to do here is we want to see if there are any updates on Monopoly Go. So go ahead and open up a Google Play Store, search for Monopoly Go, and install any updates. Now, once you've updated your mobile device or your Monopoly Go application here, go ahead and open up Monopoly Go and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that we could do here is we want to clear the cache for Monopoly Go. So in this case, press and hold on Monopoly Go again, go to App Info, click on Clear Data, and you want to click on Clear Cache, and click on OK to clear cache on Monopoly Go. Now, once you've cleared your cache, go ahead and open up Monopoly Go and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then unfortunately the issue itself might be the device that you are currently using. So if you're using a older model for your device, then there's a possibility that Monopoly Go doesn't support that older model. So you have to use another device for you to play Monopoly Go. So another way is you might actually contact Monopoly Go via their website and see if support can actually help you with this issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.